Let me show you how to find cos theta and tan theta using this question given. The question is, if sin theta is equal to 3 out of 5, find cos theta and tan theta. Let me divide the board into two. Let's say solution. Okay, our board is divided into two. Let's consider the right angle triangle. So this is a right angle triangle. Here is 90 degrees. Let's assume that here is our theta. Okay, after this, according to Pythagoras theorem, the longer side of the right angle triangle is the hypotenuse. So here is hypotenuse. Okay, the side closer to the theta or the angle is adjacent. So here is adjacent, and the side opposite to the theta or the angle given is called opposite. So here is opposite. Okay, again, you need to remember this formula called SOH CAH TOA, which is SOH CAH TOA. Okay, what it means is that when you are asked to find sine, sine is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. So here we are given sine, which is opposite over hypotenuse. So the hypotenuse is what? 5. The opposite is what? 3, according to this formula given, which is called SOH CAH TOA. Okay, so from the SOH CAH TOA, we can get our hypotenuse, which is 5, and the opposite, which is 3. Now let's find the adjacent. Okay, to find the adjacent, according to Pythagoras theorem, when you take square of the hypotenuse, it is equal to square of the opposite plus square of the adjacent. What it means is that, assuming here is, let's use the first letters to represent them. So hypotenuse, which is h square, is equal to opposite square plus adjacent square, this way. Okay, so we know that the hypotenuse is what? 5. So we have 5 square equal to opposite, which is 3. So I have 3 square plus a square, which is the adjacent that we are looking for. Okay, so let's group like terms here. We can say that 5 square is 25 equal to 3 square is 9 plus adjacent square. Now let's group like terms. We have 25 minus 9 equal to a square. That is when you subtract 9 from both sides. This 9 will leave here. We now have 25 minus 9 here. Okay, this one will give us what? 16 equal to adjacent square. And we are looking for adjacent, not adjacent square. So what we are going to do is that we take square root of both sides. So apply the square root here. Apply the square root here. This and this will go. 16 square will give us 4. So have our adjacent equal to 4. Okay, so now the adjacent is what? 4. So after doing this, we know that the adjacent is 4 from the formula, which is SOH CAH TOA. We are now going to use this one to find the cos theta and the tan theta. Okay, so from here, when you are asked to find cos is equal to the first letter sign for cos. So to find for cos is adjacent over hypotenuse. So let's bring cos theta. Cos theta is equal to adjacent. This is our adjacent, which is 4, over hypotenuse, which is what? 5. Okay, have you seen that? When you are also asked to find for tan is equal to opposite over adjacent. So our tan theta is equal to opposite, which is 3, over adjacent, which is 4. So these are the answers to the question given. Cos theta is equal to 4 out of 5. Tan theta is equal to 3 out of 4. If you understand this lesson, I would like you to share and also comment in the comment section that you understand.